Welcome students. In my previous classes I discussed about sp3 hybridization, sp2 hybridization, sp hybridization and sp3d hybridization. And today I am going to discuss about sp3d2 hybridization. This type of hybridization involves mixing of 1s, 3p and 2d orbitals to form 6 equivalent sp3d2 hybrid orbitals. Okay. Now we can say that there will be 1s, 3p and 2d will form 6 sp3d2 hybrid orbitals. Okay, now I am explaining it. Say in case of sulfur has atomic number 16. In ground state, it has electronic configuration like this: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. Okay, so this portion is neon configuration, and this is 3s, this is 3p, 1, 2, 3s, 3px, 3py, 3pz. So 2 electrons, and 1, 2, 3, and so you can see the number of unpaired electrons, or number of unpaired electrons in this case, this is 2. But in excited state, sulfur in excited state, now what will happen? You can see it will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1, 3p3, 3d2. Okay. Now you can say 3s, 3p and this is 3d. So now number of unpaired electrons 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this sulfur in excited and hybrid state. Now what will happen? See, neon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 3d, and these are basically 6 sp3d2 hybrid orbitals. Okay, hybrid orbitals. So you can say that these are the 6 equivalent hybrid orbitals. Okay, so 1 is 3p and 2 d orbitals combined to form 6 equivalent sp3d2 hybrid orbitals with same energy. Now I am explaining it. I am giving an example. In case of SF6, it has structure like this. Okay, F, 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 F. In case of fluorine, we can write the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Okay, so these bonds are basically sigma bonds, and here this is sp3d2 of sulfur, and this is 2p of fluorine. So bonding between sp3d2 of sulfur and 2p of fluorine. In this case, a similar case, this is actually sp3d2 of sulfur, this is also sp3d2 of sulfur, this is 2p of fluorine, 2p of fluorine, this is sp3d2 of sulfur, this is this is 2p of fluorine, and this is sp3d2 of sulfur. This is also sp3d2 of sulfur, and this is 2p of fluorine. And it has structure shape regular octahedral geometry. Regular octahedral geometry. Okay, regular octahedral geometry, and all the 6 sp bonds are equal in length. The 6 orbitals SF6 are directed towards the corner of the octahedral. These are okay, and they are inclined at an angle of 90 degree to one another. So you can say the angle is 90 degree. Okay, the angle is 90 degree. So students, that's all about sp3d2 hybridization. I think you have understood, and if you face any problem then regarding this video, then send your problems, queries or doubts to my comment box, and I must solve it in my next class. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.